Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is the part 2 of our previous design of two-bedroom bungalow. So in this part 2, we're going to add our windows for opening and our doors. So let me remind you the particular building we are recreating. This is the particular building we are recreating. So we're going to add our windows, our doors and openings. So if you come to design, you will see number one is wall, number two is your door. Once you click door, just come to this menu bar and click the door settings. Select hinge door. I'm going to select this door 23. If you come to door 23, click on it, then select any type of door that you want. So I'm going to select this particular door. Then I'm going to select handle. I'm going to select handle 2. Then come to dimension marker. I'll first of all go to preview and positioning. So I'm going to send this thing to 0 level. So my door is going to start from 0 level. Size will be width of door 900, height of door 2100. Okay, I'll come back to hinge settings. I'll click the next arrow. I'll leave it to default. I'll click the next arrow. Click the next arrow. Still leave it. So I'll I will increase the height of handle. I'll make it 1200. Then I'll click the side on, and my door is going to be side on. I'll come to this 3D projection. I'll override the projection and let me leave it like this. I'll put the door so that you see the difference. So I'll click the next, still click next, and I'll change this red type to this. I'm going to let me leave it to this place so that when I put the door, you know what I want to explain here. I'll move it next. Okay, I'll click OK. I'm going to add the door. So first of all, let me add over to our CAD file. Let me add this particular door first. This particular door. This door. Once you click on wall, you will make sure the this sun drawing, the sun icon you are seeing has to be on the outside of the door. So I'm going to click it like this. Then I'm going to choose where to close the door, where the door angle or the door hinge will be. So I'm going to check where this one is. This one is on the left side. So I'm going to put it on the left side, click again. Click escape on my keyboard. Then I'm going to click on this door. I'm going to select move it to this edge. If you see this door, you notice that we are opening inside the wall, inside the room, but the door move to the edge of the wall, so you giving a space here. And even if I move this door like this, if I move it back like this, it gave a space here, which this door will be jamming on this wall. So let me move it back and I'll go back to setting. Then I'm going to move back to this place, this elevator. I'm going to select 35 for 150 mm wall. So that is moving to fit the inside of the wall. So okay. Let's see what we have done so far in 3D. We're going to select this 3D tab. The next thing, you're going to click on this orbit. This is the door. If you come to this door that we are putting now, you see is a line. There's a diagonal line, this diagonal line. So that is the opening line. I want to remove this opening line so that you will not see it in 3D. So if you go to 2D, you will see this particular line. But if you come to 3D, you will not see it. I will select it again. I'll go to door set. I add the 3D, then uncheck the opening line. Only on I'll still select my objects, move around. I want to remove the edge lines. If you see, if you watch this my work, you'll be seeing edge lines. So I'm going to remove it. I'm going to come to toolbars, 3D visualization. We don't have all those edge lines, and our dot yes, it is. Colors. Use wood than horizontal. In this framing, I'll still change the color. That's the casting out. I'll still change the color where they wrote casting out and casting in. Out and casting in. I'm going that is this. Back to 2D. This is our door. I'm going to select frame point to match property. This is door here. Next, design. Okay. Next is okay. So next will be smooth model for pantry, toilets, which this door size. Okay. So I'm going to okay. So I'm going to close toilets. Next door that we have is a two-bedroom. Right to this wall. And what I'm using is move. It's different from this drag. Drag is resizing the size. If I select this drag, I'm resizing. If I select the move, I'm moving the top. So move, select the oval, start the doors. So we're good to go. Let me pass door, the pass door, and the main launch door. So I'm going to go back door, so size. I want to use 4 feet, 1,000, 1,000 red, the main the height. Then next, the second leaf. So I want to go write the opening line in 3D. Still revealing. I'll change it to next. Okay, I'll click OK for now. Then I'll put my door. Okay. Now look at this door is bigger than this door. No, this door is a 900 door. This is a 1,200 door. We have 900 and the remaining. So I'm going to back here. This place the roads, leaves, and I will change this to 900. So the remaining will be 400 of it. Okay, I'm going to make it okay, right like this. The next thing I'm going to is door property. uh, This door position. I'm going to move it 200 from that position. So that opening. Okay, I'm going to come back to my ArchiCAD. I'll select window. I use window to create my opening. Select window. I'll click on the window setting. I select it, I'll just click OK. Now, then you highlight it, set it here. So I'm going to add that this one. I'm going to increase the size to this. Then set the starting point to 0 level and set the height to 2000 to keep pen to mark. Okay? Select the property of that size. Yeah, video. So then the back side. Yeah, so that we're going to put our windows to basic windows. Uh, which one is curved windows? The curved window, the version window, and I'm going to select have an act of window. So I'm going to select size of my window. I'll as 900 setting back. To change this some things, the size of the sashes for those framing joints. I'm going to change this to 30. If you come to this window, you see that we have sashes on the arc side. So I'm going to sash, the type of sash I have there. Okay. Small arc here, then the sash begin, 3 sashes to select this. Like it's divided the window into 2 vertical and 2 horizontal. Horizontal vertical grid, that's VH grid. Then I'm going to select 2, 2. The way it is like this. I'll leave this one there. Next, I'll override the opening line colors, color of window front. Then like using this paint dark gray, so that when I want to render the structure, the building, I'm going to put the color of my choice. But for now, let me use this paint dark gray. Then for glass, I like using glass blue. Use glass blue. Okay. Next, we really let me let me casting out. I'll select the casting out, leave it by default. To change the color to titanium white. I'll click next. Okay, I'll click where our window are. I'm going to put this window. I'll go to preview to check. So this is how it is in 3D view. If you watch, our sash is actually inside the glass. So I'm going to increase the thickness of the sashes. Um, Select the window, then I'll click back. Thickness. I'm going to select that. Okay, it's coming out. 40. So as you can see, it's out already. Our window. This is the window here. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the 2D done first. I'm going to save what I've done. I've saved. I want to know if this window is at the center. See, this is 3.3 meter. So I'm going to put to shoot this window. This window. This edge. Then 1,200. We divide it by it is going to be 1,150. At the center of this room. So I'm going to match property. Select the pen. Click on it to put the whole areas that we have in there, which is 1, 2, 3 here. Here, here. I'm going to put window here. I'm going to reposition all the windows to the center. For bit is 1,375. Oh, 900. Yeah. So okay, we are positioned our uh, side windows. Then the height to 600. Okay, we want to select this one 15. Then select this. We want to select multiple, hold the shift. Yep, 900 of them and move two of them at the same. Okay, so we are putting all the windows now. Let's go back to our preview to see what thing we're going to do uh, is putting floor and parapets. That's the concrete structure that we watch out for the next video, part 3 of that my YouTube channel and hit thank you.